Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis X tutorial how to select a layer. So for example, I will create new layer. You can click these icons and then click plus icons to add new layer. So in here we have 4 layer, and if you want to select layer 2, you can select this layer 2, and like I will draw with brush tools and change color into black color. We draw objects, and then to select another layer you can click again, and then I will select for the layer 3. Now you can draw again with brush tools, color into red color, and I will create in here. The next we select the layer 4 and draw with this green color. Now if you want to move the layer 1 or layer 2 in this black object, you can move again into the layer option, and then you can select the layer 2, and then we can use transform tools to move the layer 2. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis X tutorial how to select a layer. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.